Hi, Happy New Year. Last year, my goal for the year was to publish one new video every week. And even though I had a bit of a rocky start, I think by like April, I was pretty consistent all the way through December in publishing a new video every week. I'd like to bring that into 2026. So, here today, I'll be sharing with you what to expect in the next few weeks. So, one of my favorite bands is CCR, Creedence Clearwater Revival. So, I thought it would be fun to start with a CCR challenge. In the next few weeks, you'll see tutorials for ukulele and for guitar for some of their most iconic songs. Now, on January 25th, there is a meetup opportunity in Oceanside. This is a free meetup opportunity. So, 2 days before, I'm going to head to the NAM show to pick up some of my friends, Ricky Sanborn and Yoshi. They've been on the channel before. So, Yoshi is, I had her on the channel back when I lived in Okinawa, Japan. That's where we met. So, she's the OG. And Ricky, I had on the channel like back in 2019, I believe, or 2020. But anyway, I'm picking them up because we're going to go to the Oceanside event together. So the Oceanside event is Sunday, January 25th from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's a free event and it's happening at the Romero Creations headquarters. We're going to perform, meet, and just have time to bond and take pictures. If you've never been to the Romero Creations headquarters, you'll be able to see some of their gorgeous instruments like this. And they have, or Pepe Romero Jr. has ukuleles and guitars that he's worked on, that he's designed, or that he's building, or in the process of building at the workshop space. And Daniel Ho, one of his friends, and Pepe Romero Jr. created the Tiny Tenor together, and Daniel Ho will be there as well. Sofia Romero, Pepe Romero Jr.'s daughter, will also be there. And again, it's just a fun, free meetup opportunity. It would be lovely to have you. Let me know if you can make it. Now, the week right after that is Strum in the Desert. Strum in the Desert is an event that I host. It's a small private ukulele festival that I've done for a few years now. And it is a sold out already. But the reason I'm telling you about the event is because the workshops part of the event will be live streamed on YouTube. So you can attend virtually for this event and be a part of the workshops. And even if you can't be there when they're happening, which is going to be on Saturday, January 31st, you can watch the replay. So keep your eyes peeled for when you see that I'm going live on YouTube. It's for those workshops. Now, after the CCR challenge, I'm going to post a video that will be titled something like 12 children's gospel songs guitar tutorial. The ukulele tutorial is already out. It just came out last week. And these have a PDF companion, and the PDF has the song sheets with like really large font so that if you're teaching children or performing with them, it's really easy to read. And the booklet has the chords for ukulele, for baritone, and for guitar. They're available on my website, bernadetteteachesmusic.org. And it's just $5, and you get, I think it's almost like 40 pages on that PDF. And yeah, the ukulele tutorial is already out. The guitar one I'll do once the CCR challenge is done. And then let me see what else I am going to. Oh, okay. So if you want to know when I'm going to be at a meetup, when Strum in the Desert tickets for next year are available, or when there's a new video you want to be updated, like if you don't see me on your feed, there's two really easy ways to do so. One, I created a free tier on Patreon, and I call it free because you do have to create an account, but you just need an email address. But I created a free tier on Patreon where you'll be updated when there's a new meetup opportunity or a new video. That way it'll be delivered right to your inbox and you know that it's coming. And now I didn't know that on WhatsApp, the app WhatsApp, I didn't know that you could subscribe to channels. And so I created a Bernadette Teaches Music channel. And the purpose of it is for me to just send you a WhatsApp message saying, hey, here's a new video, or hey, here's a new meetup opportunity. So I'm just testing it out. I don't know if it's your cup of tea, but if you like it, let me know. I'll have the links and information down below if you would like to uh, follow through the WhatsApp channel. I'm still learning, so I think that's what it's called. Okay, now I know some of you are big planners and you like to think like way ahead. So there are two ukulele festivals that I'll be at in the fall. And I'm letting you know ahead of time in case you have to buy flights or book hotels or something like this. So in September, I'm planning to be at the LA Uke Fest, the Los Angeles International Ukulele Festival. This one happens at the Torrance Cultural Arts Center. It's a beautiful, beautiful space and a really nice big festival. Every year it sees anywhere from 600 to 1,000 attendees, and the performers are just amazing. And it's a really good bang for your buck because the ticket allows you to go to any workshop that's happening that day, so you can bounce between workshops. So that's the LA Uke Fest, and then the other festival that I'll be at is the first annual Oceanside Ukulele Festival. This one will be in Oceanside at the library, and it's just a one-day event. It is a free ukulele festival, and I'm super excited for it. So mark your calendars and add these events to your maybe list, to maybe travel list. I would really love to meet you, whether it's at the LA Uke Fest or at the Oceanside Ukulele Festival or at the NAM show. Let me know if you go to these events. All right, so last time that I made one of these like channel news videos, you let me know that you would like to see this on a quarterly basis. So let me know if that's still the case, if you do like seeing the update. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So on my shop, I sell mostly PDFs, but I do have instruments. And so this ukulele is currently available. I do box them and ship them out myself. And whenever people ask for customizations, like, oh, can you add this, or can you write this person a letter, or can you also send in a music stand or something, I do accommodate the requests. So send me a message if you are interested. And there are some new accessories that I'm adding to the shop, but I haven't photographed them just yet. So maybe those will be in the next update video. And I am working on some really fun PDFs to add to the website, some that will help you with your daily practice. But again, I'm still working on them and still trying to make them really beautiful. So once those are ready, I'll put them in another update video. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and let me know in the comments what you think and if you're excited for the upcoming challenge. Take care. See you soon. Ciao.